Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT P80 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's open up our settings right over here. Scroll down to Storage. In the drop-down right here, you want to select Disk. Now for some reason it's telling me that I need to set it up. I believe this is because I was using this SD card and the camera and it just has some kind of incompatibility, maybe just the way it's formatted. So I'm gonna select setup, which you most likely will not see in your case. So anyway, once we have that set, go Samsung SD card, we can now select it. And from here we can select Files, Files by Google, just once or always, doesn't really matter. Continue and tap on the three dots, select Storage Settings, Format SD card. Give it a second and should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done button and you're good to go. Your card is now formatted and ready to be used once again. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.